Good PM, ngayon po ay Saturday, August 12, 2023. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong Saturday, August 12, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong August 12, 2023 Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Saturday, August 12, 2023. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 is 9 million pesos and Grand Lotto 655 estimated jackpot price is 56 million pesos for August 12, 2023 Saturday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Saturday, August 12, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.